like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Hello guys, I'm Jet, and today I'm going to show you how to make Aldous Mask. Okay, look at this. Let's print. You can download it in the description link below. First, what we need is the printed file, scissor, cutter, and the ruler. Now we need a wooden board for cutting because we don't want to scratch the table. Use the cutter and a ruler to straighten the cutting line. Now we will do this for the both two first page. Now use white glue. Evenly spread the white glue to the paper on the edge. We are going to put the two pages together. And then the second one. After combining the three patterns, we will now cut out the patterns. And now we will start to trim it. You can use scissors, or I prefer using cutter. It's more stable and easy to use. Now, when we are done trimming, we will start to glue the forehead. The easiest part of this scrap is the forehead. After creating the forehead, we will add its upper eyelids. After bending all the flaps, we can now glue it to the forehead. Okay, so when we were doing this, the only issue that I have is the printer. The printer prints darker color than its original color. So if I print a gold, it will turn it into a dark brown. So that is the issue of my printer. But don't worry, your printer should be printing the right color. And now we will attach the eye to the second piece we put in. Now, when we are putting this fourth piece, the jaw, you will need to follow this bend, because if you don't follow the bend, you will have a problem.
What we do here is go back.
Follow the instruction on this video. And now we will attach the inner jaw in the nose. And then finally, the jaw. Well, we're almost there. Ta-da! And we're almost done. But first, we need to strengthen the forehead. So grab a paper, fold it in half, and fold it again, and then we're going to add it at the back of the mask. Okay, thank you for watching. Comment down below what you want me to make and what you want me to teach you next. This is Jet from Jetot Payatot Crops. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and share. Bye bye.